Today we're going to be making homemade crisps or potato chips. Take a bowl and fill it with cold water. We then want to add about a tablespoon of salt. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to take a mandolin so I can get these crisps to the right thickness. I haven't peeled the potatoes, but obviously you can if you want to. I just know that there's a lot of nutrition in the skins, so we might as well leave them on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to number 1, so it's really thin slices. And the reason for this is we're going to soak them for about 10 minutes so we can get rid of all the starch. You want to half fill a pan with cold water and add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Bring that to a boil. Once the water has come to a boil, you can then start adding your potato slices. They only want to be in the water for about 3 to 4 minutes. The next thing that you need to do is lay them on a paper towel, because you need to dry these off. Just take another paper towel, pop it over the top so you're getting all that moisture out. Is add some oil to a pan, and you need to get this heated up. They need to be sizzling as soon as they go in. So once it's hot enough, just reduce the temperature slightly to avoid the fat from smoking and start adding your potato chips. You might have to do these in batches because you don't want to overfill the pan, because that will drop the temperature of the oil down. You want to fry these for around 10 minutes, but obviously keep the eye on them. You can also bake these on a tray in the oven if you prefer. Once you see that they're starting to develop some colour, you can take them out. If you want them cooked darker, then obviously you can leave them in, that's entirely up to you. And there you go, your very own homemade potato chips. Or if you live in the UK, crisps. I think you'll agree, they have got that crunch.